Take command of the road in the 2015 Dodge Journey. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive provides for safe passage regardless of road or weather conditions. This model accommodates 7 passengers comfortably and provides features such as leather upholstery, speed-sensitive wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, heated seats, and remote keyless entry. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.